here, my friends, we have another truck. It's a Freightliner Cascadia, the older model, and it's for sale. And I'm walking towards it. You can hear the engine. The engine's running great, and the tires are in good shape. Let's walk. And this is the truck. No damage to the body, and the tires are virgin rubber, and they are all, these are Kelly tires. Kelly tires. You can see the rubber, virgin tires, and other side. And I'll step back a bit so that you can see the body of the truck. No damage. I don't know what's the size of the tanks, but we will find out. And